22nd of August, 2019. Look at these awesome dahlias that I've got going on here. That one needs to be deadheaded right there. Looks like my dahlias are coming in, starting to bloom over here. Got my tutti fruities. The lawn is green, starting to look good. I do have a rough patch through here. I've put fertilizer down 2 or 3 times. Got some tree suckers right there, which really suck. Hate those things. But it's growing, so that's good. So look how awesome these dahlias are here. Look how freaking sweet that thing is. It's big. It's probably 6 to 8 inches across. Nice and big. Lots of dahlia flowers like this. When it starts to get looking nasty on the back, throw it to the side like this. Get rid of that one. Oh man, so that one broke. So look at that guy right there. That is a sweet flower, and it broke, so had to pull her off of there. Lots of dahlias through here. This one I love right here. I'm gonna deadhead that one. So look at that sweet freaking flower. Lots and lots of cool flowers. Look at that guy right there. So I am gonna try to get the lawn mowed really quick before the sun goes down in the side and the back. I think I've got some weed issues going on here. I'm pretty sure that's not bluegrass. I need to mow over here. So I need to mow over here. It's been several weeks since I've mowed because I've been trying to work on that paver project behind me. Look how freaking sweet this little section is with all these flowers. Look at this guy here. That's a beaut. That is a freaking beautiful flower. See that? So pretty. Got more of these puffballs here. This thing is so freaking sweet. Pink flower. There's no tag on that puffball, pink puffball flower there. And I'm gonna break it off. So if you can see on the back, it's starting to wilt. So look how cool that flower is right there. It's so pretty. Perfectly little round ball. So check out all these flowers back here, all these dahlias. Dahlias all through here. That's pretty dang cool. Orange flower there. Pink with a yellow center there. Not sure what that one is. This is probably one of our favorites. It's got this purple flower, so pretty. Look at that guy. So pretty. These ones are called little Scotties, little pon-pons or pom-poms. Probably 2 inches across. Little flower. Here's a little red one. I think this is like, that could be the Cornell. Look at this guy. Nice big flowers. Pretty flowers. So awesome. So let's get the mower out. It's over there. I need to do some quick blowing. I'm gonna get the blower out, clean up the lawn, and then we're gonna get the big mower out and go for it. So check out how sweet this blower is. You turn the choke on, you prime it 3 or 4 or 5 times, put it on. I have not used this blower in a few weeks. Man, that is a pretty awesome flower right there. Holy crap, that thing's amazing. So pretty. So look at this guy. Such a big flower, probably 5 inches across, maybe 5.5, 6. Beautiful flower. It's got bugs all through it. Holy crap. Bugs all through there. So watch this. Just pull it. Just like that, it started up. So I have not mowed this section at all yet. I'm gonna mow it, and so I'm gonna mow it in a few days. Got this whole section torn up. That's looking good. Got some video on that coming for you, but I need to mow the lawn. So the lawn looks like crap right now, but it will look amazing just after I mow it. It's crazy how well the mower works. So I need to blow all these leaves out of here. There's lots of sticks and stuff. I need to get those out of here really quick. Run out of gas. So this blower, I tell you, it is so awesome. Such a fine machine. One of the best purchases I've made this year. Between this thing and the ride-on mower, those were some mighty fine purchases there. Almost there. Right. Now I'm out of gas. Sun's going down quickly. Hopefully I can get a little bit of mowing in, but I gotta get these leaves up. Well, that freaking sucks. It normally starts way easier than that. Just got done blowing off the lawn. It feels like fall because those trees that I killed over there, the cottonwoods or whatever they are, those have been shedding leaves for several weeks because they're dead. And so there's leaves all over the lawn. If you can see the lawn here, it's quite long. I haven't mowed this in several days or several weeks actually. I did put the plant growth regulator on there. I'm not gonna mow this tonight because the sun's going down. I wanted to be able to film it so I could show you. So you can see the cut line right here. This is just like one pass with the mower. And then I'm cutting off about 1.5 inches in places just right here down to 5/8. So it's definitely in need of a cut. I'm gonna come out here tomorrow after work and cut it. It's gonna be a little bit difficult to not see the stripes because the sun is going down, and so I need that to my advantage. So I'm gonna go work on my paver project, and then tomorrow evening I will come out here and finish the lawn, and I will show you that process there. So the problem is I spent all that time blowing all the leaves off the lawn here because those trees right there are dead, and so they just continue to blow stuff off. But I've got to clean up all this mess. Got mess everywhere, and I am working on this. I am about a little over halfway done, probably more than halfway done, because I completely redid this whole walkway all the way to the house. So now I just need to start working on this side, and I'm hoping within a few days I should have this done. Cross my heart. Hope to die. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time when I'll be mowing with the triplex.